Hello, in this video, we will learn how to solve the log equation like this one over here. So just remember that the domain of log function, that means whatever that value right here, whatever the thing after the log here, you make sure you have to set it greater than 0, and then you solve for it. So over here, we have two log right here. So first you have to write out here that would be c plus 5. This one had to be greater than 0. And also the other one, you have c plus 2. This one also had to be greater than 0. So from here that you will solve that c would be greater than -5, right? And also c had to be greater than -2. I just add the same number both sides. That's how I get it here. Yeah. So now from here, you're gonna kind of raw the number to see what happened right here. So I would do I will draw the number line right here. So I can have the first one. I'm gonna have this one right here from all the way, this one right here, all the way up to -5. That would be my first number right here, -5. Yes, and then the next one would be all the way here up to -2, and then keep going forever to the right, which is infinity. Yeah. So now I want over here, I want x is greater than -5, right? So I'm gonna shade it. I'm gonna shade it from here to all the way this way. Yes. And then that's for this part here, c have to be greater than -5. I have that part. So I don't want this one right here. So this one will be a hole right here. And then the next one, I will shade the second one would be from c is greater than -2. So I'm gonna have from here all the way to the back right here. So I don't take the -2. So combine it together, see this part right here, it would have greater than -5 and also greater than -2. So therefore, combine these two together, then I will have my things over here. That would be the combine these two together. So therefore, my domain over here, domain would be x have to be, c, my answer, c have to be greater than -5. If anything less than -5, even equal 5, I don't take it. So the answer had to be like that. So now with that in mind, we're gonna use the property of logarithmic function right here. So you see that I have two logs right here and have the same base. So I can use the first rule right here. That means reverse from the right to the left of the product rule to rewrite the left-hand side. So the left-hand side, I'm gonna rewrite this at this. So I'm gonna write over here, I'm gonna write it would be log base 2 of, so instead of write 2 log, I just write 1, and then I multiply these two together. So it's gonna be like this here. So c plus 5, and then over here I have that would be c plus 2 together. So these together in 1, and this whole thing here, c plus 2 together, and this one would be equal to, yeah. So from here, let me rewrite it into the nice way for you guys to see first. Okay. Yeah, I have that. Yes. And now both of them like this. So I can convert it to the exponential form. So remember that we have over here, if I can have this way, I can rewrite the exponential form. So over here, that means I have the base over here too, right? And then I raise to the power across over here would be raised to power 2. And this one must be equal to whatever the thing right here. So I'm gonna multiply these two together. So we equal to c squared, right? And then plus 2c, and then plus 5c, and then plus 10, right? So that together, those two together. So let me put in a normal way so that you can see over here. Yes, I have this. Okay, so now when I have this, so I can simplify this one over here. So I will have this one will be c squared This one right here would be C squared, and then plus 7C. And then this one over here, you see 4 right here. So I will subtract 4 both sides. So 10 minus 4. So I have that would be plus 6. This one would be equal 0, right? Equal 0. Yeah, so let me put in a normal way for you to see that. Right. And then you factored it out. So you will have over here, I can factor this. So I have C plus 6, right? And then C plus 1. This one here equals 0. So therefore, I will have C equal -6 and also C equal 1. -1, that would be the 2 answer. However, look at back to the domain right here. C must be greater than -2. So therefore, this one right here, I cannot take this one. So I have to cross out this answer over here. So this one doesn't work. This doesn't work because it have to be greater than -2 right here. So the only answer I have over here, that will be a -1 right there. So that will be my answer over here. So I'm gonna put over here, that will be the answer will be -1. And then I submit, I should have the right answer. Yeah. So that would be my work right there for you to see. Yeah.